Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Dear friends, read the following sentences and identify the tense. Your time start now. He is teaching students. A. Present simple tense. B. Present continuous tense. C. Past continuous tense. D. Past simple tense. Number 2. I rescued the dog. A. Present simple tense. B. Past simple tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. Number 3. She has been teaching English since 2011. A. Present perfect continuous tense. B. Past perfect continuous tense. C. Future perfect tense. D. Present simple. Number 4. She eats with her left hand. A. Present simple tense. B. Future simple tense. C. Present perfect tense. D. Past simple tense. Who broke the glass? A. Future simple tense. B. Past simple tense. C. Present simple tense. D. Present perfect tense. I will have finished my book by the end of November. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Present perfect continuous tense. D. Future perfect tense. Seven. She will have learnt grammar by the end of this month. A. Past perfect tense. B. Future perfect tense. C. Future perfect continuous tense. D. Past simple tense. Eight. You will be having good days. A. Present continuous tense. B. Past continuous tense. C. Future continuous tense. D. Future simple tense. Nine. He had sought the permission before entering the classroom. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future perfect tense. D. Present simple tense. Number 10. She had been playing cricket for hours when she was a student. A. Present perfect continuous tense. B. Present continuous tense. C. Past perfect continuous tense. D. Past tense. Eleven. She has already left. A. Future perfect tense. B. Present simple tense. C. Present perfect tense. D. Past perfect tense. 12. The child was sleeping soundly when she came. A. Present continuous tense. B. Past continuous tense. C. Future continuous tense. D. Future simple tense. Number 13. She has been sleeping since morning. A. Present perfect continuous tense. B. Future perfect tense. C. Present simple tense. D. Future perfect continuous tense. 14. He will have finished the project by the end of this month. A. Present simple tense. B. Present perfect tense. C. Future perfect tense. D. Past perfect tense. 15. When I went home, she was working on computer. A. Present continuous tense. B. Past continuous tense. C. Future continuous tense. D. Future simple tense. 16. I have seen this movie several times. A. Future simple tense. B. Present simple tense. C. Present perfect tense. D. Past perfect tense. 17. I saw this movie in 2019. A. Present simple tense. B. Past simple tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 18. I have not submitted my article. A. Future perfect tense. B. Present simple tense. C. Present perfect tense. D. Past perfect tense. 19. Students have not come to hostel. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 20. He has lost his keys. Have you seen it? A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 21. He ate all the biscuits yesterday. A. Future perfect tense. B. Present simple tense. C. Past simple tense. D. Past perfect tense. 22. The rain has not stopped yet. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 23. When he arrived at the cinema, the film had already started. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 24. After they had eaten cake, they felt sick. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. 25. I will be waiting for you tomorrow. A. Present continuous tense. B. Past continuous tense. C. Future continuous tense. D. Future simple tense. 26. Next year by this time, you will have passed the exam. A. Future perfect tense. B. Present simple tense. C. Past simple tense. D. Past perfect tense. 27. I will have built the house by next year. A. Present simple tense. B. Past simple tense. C. Past perfect tense. D. Future perfect tense. 28. The train leaves at a time every day. A. Present simple tense. B. Past simple tense. C. Past perfect tense. D. Future perfect tense. 29. Honest is the best policy. A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Present simple tense. D. Future simple tense. Number 30. Will you come to the party tomorrow? A. Present perfect tense. B. Past perfect tense. C. Future simple tense. D. Future continuous tense. Thank you. Happy learning.